Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app. Currency exchange rate. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then click on Install and head over to Allow and Install. Once you're done installing, reload the page and head to the custom menu page itself, click on it, and the interface of the app is going to pop up with all its necessary features, such as the documentation to get started. The app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video and the walkthrough configuration video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. Here we have the app setup. No worries. Let's walk you through how to set up the app. Click on Start Setup and head to the account which we've already created online. Copy the API key, then switch back to the account and paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. Your app has been successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket with the team and as well book a call with the team. We have the changelog feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've now learned how to install and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.